Hey, it's Mike. Today I'd like to talk about Restoration Hardware Holdings stock trades on the NYSE under symbol RH. The stock was up over 4%, up to $508.81. Look over the past 5 days, stock has done really well. It started out 5 days ago at 440, has moved up to 508. I talked about Restoration Hardware in the beginning of the year because Scott Galloway, the professor at the NYU Stern School, has predicted that Restoration Hardware will hit $1,000 a share by the end of the year. And his rationale is that, for those who don't know, Restoration Hardware makes luxury items for the home. And what Scott Galloway has talked about is that most people, professional workers, will still be working at home in 2021 as most companies decide to have their employees work remotely. And because of that, if you're like, a highly paid executive and you could be working from home, you're going to want to upgrade your surroundings, your home office and your home. So you're going to spend money at a place like Restoration Hardware. So that's Scott Galloway's rationale on Restoration Hardware, doubling in price up to $1,000 a share. And you just look for the first 5 days of the year, he's been pretty much on point because the stock has gone up over 10%. And, another part of Restoration Hardware being bullish is that just the reopen trade in 2021, people are going to probably feel more comfortable spending money, and people with higher incomes tend to recover faster than people with lower incomes. So since Restoration Hardware services people with higher incomes, they're probably going to do a lot better as the economy reopens. And plus, what Scott Galloway said is that executives working from home are going to want to upgrade their surroundings, upgrade their house. So you put all that together, it definitely looks like Restoration Hardware does have a chance to make that run to hit $1,000 a share by the end of the year. So if you have a lot of investments, let's say in crypto miners, EV vehicles, clean energy, and you want to look to diversify into a different space, definitely check out Restoration Hardware Holdings. Has a really nice chart right now. I mean, you go back even further to 1 year, it had a nice bounce off of the March low, was only at $82, now all the way up to 508. So definitely looks like it can make a run for $1,000 a share. I will keep you updated on Restoration Hardware as it performs throughout the year. So definitely check it out. Trades on the NYSE under symbol RH. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.